5. Mysterious sea creatures scientists still can't explain. Scientists have mapped the moon. They've sent robots to Mars. But more than 80% of our own ocean is still completely unexplored. That means right now, beneath the water, there are creatures living in total darkness that no human has ever seen. Today, we're looking at 5 of the most mysterious sea creatures that science still cannot fully explain. And trust me, number 3 will make you think twice about everything you know about life on Earth. Welcome to Aqua Mystery Vault, where the ocean's darkest secrets come to light. Let's dive in. Number 1. The immortal jellyfish. Do you think something can live forever? Most people would say no. But here's the creepy part. Meet Turritopsis dohrnii, also known as the immortal jellyfish. Scientists believe it is the only known animal on Earth that cannot die of old age. Here's how it works. When this jellyfish gets sick, old, or stressed, instead of dying, it reverses its entire life cycle. Its body literally goes back in time, all the way back to being a baby. Then it grows up again, and again, forever. Scientists call this process transdifferentiation. It basically rewrites its own cells from scratch, like pressing a reset button on life itself. And here's what makes this even more unsettling. If this creature can do this, what does that mean for humans? Researchers are studying this jellyfish to understand aging. The answer to living longer might already be hidden inside this tiny creature drifting through our oceans right now. But let me ask you, would you want to live forever if it meant becoming a baby every time you got old? Number 2. The mimic octopus. Most animals have one defense: run, hide, fight. But this creature has an ability that almost feels impossible. The mimic octopus, discovered in 1998 off the coast of Indonesia, can transform its body to copy other animals. Not just its color, its shape, its movement, its behavior. It has been seen mimicking over 15 different species, including the flatfish, the lionfish, and even the deadly banded sea snake. 3 completely different animals, with completely different shapes. But here's the scary part. Scientists believe it actually chooses which animal to mimic based on what predator is nearby. It identifies the threat, then becomes the creature that predator fears the most. That means it's not just camouflage, it's strategy, it's deception, and it's thinking. From an animal with no backbone and a brain the size of a walnut. We still don't fully understand how it decides so fast, or how it copies movement so perfectly. And we've only been studying it for about 25 years. Imagine swimming past what looks like a harmless flatfish, and then it looks back at you. Number 3. The barrelly fish. Have you ever seen a fish with a completely transparent head? Because the barrelly fish has a see-through dome where its skull should be. And inside that dome, you can actually watch its eyes rotate in real time. But here's what scientists got wrong for decades. Those 2 dark holes on the front of its face that look like eyes? Those aren't eyes. They're nostrils. Its real eyes are the glowing green tubes inside its head, pointing straight upward. This fish sits perfectly still in the deep ocean, staring upward, watching for the silhouettes of prey above it, completely motionless, almost invisible, waiting. And here's what makes it even crazier. We only discovered that the transparent dome was fluid-filled and intact in 2009. Because every specimen brought to the surface before then was destroyed by the pressure change. For over 50 years, scientists were looking at the wrong part of its face and didn't even know it. Number 4. The bobbit worm. This one lives buried under the ocean floor. You can't see it, you can't hear it, and by the time you realize it's there, it's it's already too late. The bobbit worm can grow up to 10 feet long. It buries itself completely under the sand, leaving only its jaws exposed. Then it waits. When a fish swims over, it strikes. Faster than your eyes can follow. Its attack happens in a fraction of a second, fast enough to cut a fish clean in half. But here's the disturbing part. It injects a toxin that stuns its prey, then drags it underground, sometimes alive. Aquarium workers have even reported finding bobbit worms hidden inside tank gravel for years without knowing. They only discovered them after fish started mysteriously disappearing. Something was hunting in the dark, and nobody saw it coming. Number 5. The Greenland shark. What if I told you there is a shark alive in the ocean right now? That was born before the United States even existed. The Greenland shark is the longest living vertebrate on Earth. Scientists have found specimens they believe are over 400 years old. Some might even be older. It grows less than 1 centimeter.